All right, man, let's just get to work. Holy shit. Holy shit. We're fucking smashing today, by the way. Is it? Just get straight to fucking business right now. And Myro sent. We smashed this trade today on a spot trade and 1,300% swing trade on this today. On a leverage play, I also opened. I exited that in its entirety. I'm still holding the swing trade, the spot. We smashed this today. Swing, spot, and leverage on this. So smash this. I'm like 60% on this fucker. We smashed goat. Our members did. I don't have goat. We smashed Ponky. Our members did. We smashed Peanut. We smashed Fart Coin. We smashed Pep. We smashed everything, man. All the memes went bazooka, but our memes went the most bazooka. What's next, man? Yeah, Pipe I can definitely send, man. So I leveraged this at a 20x and sold it at 60%. So it ended up being about 1250, 1260% gain. I'm still holding this in spot. Also smash Brett. I'm just holding this, not leveraging it. We're just fucking crushing today. Holy shit. What's next, man? What's the next play? Need to rotate some of those turbo profits here. Popeye's cooking. I wanted to get in earlier though. I got in last night, but it SL'd. I called Caspa last night, so I called them in the Discord. I know a lot of our members owned Caspa, and if they listen to me, they bought Caspa at a beautiful time. This shit's going to send, guys. So if you're holding Caspa, good for you. Enjoy. I'm playing other things, but I'm still calling things I'm not playing, guys. We called Cetus again last night, yesterday in the afternoon around before Bitcoin went for 88. We called multiple buy signals this past week, probably like six or seven buy signals this week. Wow, smash. Holy smokes. Maneki is absolutely bazookaing right now. Holy shit. Let me look at my leverage bag. Holy, it's 203% up. ETH is over 1,800. Let's go, baby. Don't fuck us, man. Let it pump, guys. Smashing this trade, by the way. I got a big bag right here, literally right here on this wick, and I've just been chilling. This is a 3x leverage. So entry was 7 million on this. What are we at now? It's still got a lot of room. It's still sleeping. So 2 million almost. But that's going to be a quick 2x on a 3x. So it's going to be a pretty nice 6x. Wow, Maneki is just fucking going, man. It just keeps going. My leverage play is sending. My spot bag is actually my largest bag all of a sudden again. Holy shit, man. ETH is sending. ETH is absolutely sending, man. Let's start entering Pi slowly, slowly. I'm just not sure. I know it's gonna go up, but I think it's probably just gonna consolidate here. I don't know if it's gonna break this. If it breaks this, it could be a really strong move. But and let me see. I didn't like the stochastics. Yeah, it's still like relatively probably a good entry if you low leverage. Like if you're going like 15x, you're kind of that's then you want to sell like quick. You want to sell this off quick, at least some of it. If you're gonna go high leverage, which you could, but it does look like it's gonna pumpy. I can get a shit ton of this, dude. I'm just gonna whale this shit. Fuck it. Hopefully it doesn't dump in my face. I only put it 4x, so I can hold this for a while. It's not gonna auto deleverage. All my plays I can hold right now. Turbo is at 20x, so I might as well have sold it today. Even if Pi drops, it like fails to break out here, I have the option of just DCAing it on my leverage and getting like 6-7K of it. Yeah, Mo, I'm in, brother. All right, what are we doing, man? All right. We're gonna let this cook a little bit, man. We'll be back to it. We'll be back. We're breaking here. It could be a really juicy move, honestly. But the question is Biddy need a break? Let's see what the BTCD is. Oh, okay. We could get a little all pumpy, a little pumpy, a little pumpy. Not massive. I mean, the dominance is ridiculous right now. Dominance is gonna take a little dumpy though. That could be good for our alt if it as long as Bitcoin doesn't dump with it. Like if Bitcoin stays, I guess we have to chart this out now. It's a pretty big move. This would be so it'd be really nice to stay above here, above 91. It's about the same, honestly. Like 90, 91. It's not bad, man. It's not bad. So honestly, if Bitcoin I'd like to see it hang out around here, to be honest, 91. 5, just kind of like range here and consolidate. Then we could have a little alt pumpy. Little alt pumpy, man. Let's see, dude. Let's see what's gonna happen. I mean, we're up today. We've taken some profits. Like it's all good, man. Man, I want to try to make its big move, but it's just not doing it. Man, I fucking sold here. What a beast! I didn't see it here. If I had saw it here, I would have probably sold. This could. I'm gonna chill, man. I'm gonna chill. What's gonna move? What's gonna move? What's gonna move next? What's gonna move next? What are we gonna move next, man? Yeah, Mo called Griffin, so I also called Griffin as a spot buy 2 nights ago, 3 nights ago in the Discord. So you're chilling. Tarzai is one I played in the past, but it was also when Trump came in office, so it got cucked. So I didn't. I left this at a like 5% loss. AXBT came back, huh? Wow, that's interesting to me. That shit got fucking rugged, man. Oh shit! I missed this. No, dogs. I wanted to get a play on ton. Slurf, man, mother of Lord. Slurf is sending. Wow, Mog is sending. Mog's a beast. If you should help be like that's a great coin to trade on the consolidation zone. You want these coins that go up explosively, man. Like when Bitcoin is going to bounce. You don't want coins to just kind of go up. Like man, you want these 60%. We hit a 60% on Turbo today. Like that's the you don't want these 5%. Like go play stock market for that shit, man. We're here giving you like really big ass fucking plays. Lucy got whacked again, huh? I think Lucy's gonna do something though. I really do. Degen really wow. It's a beast. It's a good coin. It bouncing like this and it did what it did last time. It's a good coin, man. It's a good one to get in a consolidation zone. Maneki holding above here would be beautifully. Hey, if you want to keep going though, I'll be really thrilled. Mu is another one. It's kind of underperforming, which is surprising me. It really looked good before Bitcoin started pumping, and then Mu kind of didn't do much. It was pumping hard like 3 weeks ago. You see, yeah, man. That shit was sending. Just kind of got cooked. But yeah, this is a good time to buy Mu and spot. To be honest with you, man. Let me look at the market cap now first. This might be a great time to buy Mu. And if for a spot swing trade, I wouldn't be leveraging at that levels, man. You're too late. I was more so focusing on finding entries on lower level, smaller meme coins. Like I was more interested in finding low leverage entries the past 3 or 4 days. Because like if we get this alt pump, which we are getting so far, these are like you're getting some more pump. Like you could have a whole nother leg up here, man. You could have a whole nother leg up here. Volume is wow, man. Wow, Mu is good. Wow. Volume's okay. I'd like to see 70, 80 billion, but it's coming up again. I'd really like to see more. I'd feel a lot more comfortable with a bit more volume. Because like it will, a really big sell off when the volume isn't that high can make a huge difference, man. Gotta be careful with that shit. Yeah, let's see, man. Just if you're just like tuning in, what did we do today? Boom. Boom. Man, we just all of this shit we're trading right now is sending. Oh my god, Jamie's on fire, dude. Holy shit. Let's go. She got flogged. Bitcoin 63x, Jamie. Fuck, let's go. You see this shit? A bunch of beast in here. Momo, oh my god. He's back at it, dude. We're trying to get people to use this, so it would be nice instead of just like fucking being a full on degenerate and posting it in here like we keep doing. Oh. Yeah, yep. Mo gave a Sui entry so many times, man. So Cetus is like even also great because it's a Sui Dex. It does the same damn thing as Cetus. Like, I mean, I can just show you if that's what you want. Boom! Holy fuck! But you see, the thing is, boom! This is only like 100 to 200 million market cap. So this is the same thing as buying Sui, except you're buying Sui for, like a tenth the price, man. So you're like getting a shit ton more profit on Sui moves. So I like Cetus. You get Cetus, you get Sui, you get a Pumpy, man. You get part of that ecosystem. Come on, Maneki, show me something more special than you already have, buddy. I honestly just want to keep buying Maneki at this point and fucking sell some here, then buy some more here, and then just chill, man. Fucking eat off this for a week if we could, please. Trump, don't fuck us, man. Let us cook for a little bit instead of shorting. Shorting isn't fun, man. And shorting it just doesn't do the trick. It's not as fun. You're not like euphoric when you short, man. It's like, oh, market's sucking, but I'm making some money. Yeah, you can make more if you're swing trading and you have a spot and you have long-term bags. But you have to be swing trading. You can't just like hold. Holding is how you get wrecked. Like, things I hold are things that I have really, I'm very sure that when Bitcoin bounces, these things will bounce, But everything else I just trade. Like, you don't want to 100% hold because what are you going to do? Like, you're not going to have any cash when the downfalls come. So you should be making money. Like, while the market was dumping, I was collecting money, shorting it so I could buy some more when we were at the bottom, and like it pays off. You're up, like you're significantly up if you DCA'd at like a 74K Bitcoin. We weren't sitting here in the Degen tribe, like we weren't DCAing it all the way down like most of you guys were. Like we stopped DCAing at like literally 90K or like 88K, honestly. There was no more DCAing for us. Like probably 90K we just stopped. And we DCA'd at 75, 76, and then a couple times over the past 2 weeks, which has been really obviously smart. But like most people were like, most discords and shit were like literally like no joke, like let's just like DCAing, like let's see, they were like DCAing ETH for example. Like you're just DCAing and your bag is fucking dumping. Like what are you doing? Like we waiting. We're gonna DCA here, man. We're gonna DCA here, preferably here. But we're not sitting here telling people to buy here. This is fucking insane. This is what most of these people are telling you because they're influencers. They're not traders. We'll catch shorts here definitely, and we did. We caught many shorts, but we're not gonna buy and hold shit when the market is doing this, man. This is fucking savage. Oh, I'm gonna buy 1,000. Now your 1,000 is 800, 600. I'm gonna buy another 1,000. Now your 2,000 is like 400, bro. Like what? No. I don't need to get this. Like, oh, you gotta catch the bottom. No, you don't, man. No, you fucking don't. Like, because if you don't catch the bottom, you're gonna go down to the depths of hell. So look, okay, you might have gotten Ethereum and honestly, if you're someone holding Ethereum, you should have probably bought it this, but still, like, okay, you could get it here, or you could just get it here. And look, this is 5% difference, but now you're guaranteed, okay, and you set your stop loss so you can't lose here. Here is so fucking risky, and people are telling you to DCA. I don't know, man. We're getting some movement here. I'm noticing some shit happening. Is Pi working for us? Is it? I need you to break, buddy. Show me something special, man. We might just chill until tomorrow. Who knows? We'll see, man. We'll see. I'm so hungry. Did I not order food? I have nothing in my refrigerator. I have literally like apricot jam right now. I was working all damn week till like 8 p.m. basically. Oh my god, I never submitted my order, and that was like an hour ago, dude. Oops. Oh man, oh man. Well, we'll just wait and eat a little bit later, I guess. Cool. I'll just stream with you guys, I guess. Oh man, my eyes hurt. I didn't sleep last night. I sleep with like white noise on, and my internet went down at like 4 a.m. And obviously, as soon as the white noise went off, I just woke the fuck up, and I'm like, "What the hell is going on, man?" I was like in a daze. But like, the cool thing was, at least my phone was like lighting up with like crypto alerts. Like, hey, your bags are pumping, dude. You might not sleep, but you know you're getting some juice. It's gonna juice up, but it's okay, man. I want to eat. I want to take some profits today, and I'll just rotate them into other things. I don't want to be greedy. I don't want to watch my profits disappear. I don't do that shit. Come on, Sundog fucking slept now. Oh, now you want to do something, huh? Yep, I missed it. I fucking missed it, man. It's all right. I didn't even probably have the capital. It was all in, like literally all in this last week. All chips in. Now I have capital because of the turbo. Like available capital. Everything else is in profit, and I don't like if Bitcoin holds here. If Bitcoin holds above like 91, 90, 90, 91, like all of these are going to keep going up. So I just raise my anything that is up, from like a week. I just raise the stop losses. So if Bitcoin wicks and wrecks us, like I'm going to guarantee, like instead of like 200% on Maneki, I'll guarantee like 130%. It's like it's still profit, man. It's a lot of profit. So, but the reward is like if this shit keeps going and you're getting in right before the alt started to pump. Which is like our entries were before the all started to pump, like literally, like as it, like actually before they bounced on them because we got signals. So if Bitcoin actually continues, you get a continuation or at least a consolidation for a day or two, like that. These are going up, So your what is 200% could actually turn into 2,000%. If you sell now, you kind of lose those entry levels, like. Maneki's 27 cent, like literally 27 now, and we opened another leverage at 19. So, like, it shouldn't come back to that. If it does, then there's a problem with the coin, or there's a problem with Bitcoin, and that's why you raise your SL. Sorry, I'm rambling. I really haven't slept, man. Fucking YOLO. I had a coffee too. Whatever happens, happens, man. We gotta pump these bags. We got to pump these bags, guys. Somebody's got to pump these bags. It's not Trump. I mean, this is why you should join the Degen tribe. I called, as you can see from I called Casper here, literally. And I for a leverage trade, that is, for a leverage trade, I called a Casper buy alert here. Okay. And if you're watching and you listen to me and you got this Caspa buy alert here, if it breaks this blue line on the daily, I'd get the fuck out, honestly. But for now, let it ride. Let's see what happens, you know? Raise your SL to about here. Maybe guarantee 50, 60% profit of it there and leave the entry, you know? You got to be smart with this shit, man. You can't just throw your fucking money away. People just throw their money away in crypto. It's bizarre to me. Like, man, it happens, you know, but like, invest with a purpose, man. Invest with a purpose, man. That's what you got to do. All right, man. I've got a pretty large bag of Pi actually. I mean, Tron is a great spot buy right now. Again, I called Tron here, literally. So, but I called it for a leverage. Now I would consider buying it, man. You're above the 200. I would consider buying it in a spot. You know, if you're looking for somewhere to put your money, that's I like Tron. It's a good one. This is not financial fucking advice, man. Learn to read charts. Okay, good luck. Have fun. It's all I do all day long. Let's go, ETH. Send it, boy. Ooh. What else? What did I want to look at this piece of shit again? This could be a spot swing, but I'm not seeing momentum. I'm not seeing momentum, my friends. I don't need to see more than that right now. I need to see you juiced, you know, juiced up. Myro really sent, dude. I called leverage on that like 5 times last week, guys. So probably no one held through that. I didn't hold through it myself. I found better plays and they've worked out pretty damn well. You know, I'm currently 200% on Maneki for leverage. This is my leverage bag right now. I'm 200% on Maneki, 80% on Mumu. These are big bags too. Like, and Pi I'm 1%. I mean, I just entered this not long ago, and I sold Turbo for 1260%. So all in like a week to 1 day. A lot of these are open within like 36 hours. Turbo I opened last night and I sold it literally at that today. You should try leveraging without our help. It's really fun. No. My eyes are bleeding. Come on, Pi. Show me something beautiful, brother. That's the thing I find very interesting about Tron is it does not really bump with Bitcoin. It's definitely on its own cycle. Wow, we smashed Brett, huh? Let's go. Yeah, got the majority of Brett around like 320, 330. So yeah, we're smashing that shit. Absolutely. Momo called virtuals today as well. There's 3 of us that call plays, basically. Like all of us calling bangers, man. Momo's called Popcat like 10 times. I've called Popcat like 10 times. We're only playing the best shit, as you see. We know what's gonna bounce the hardest. For the most part. Obviously, there's ones that just come out of nowhere and you're like, whoa, what the fuck? But you learn, and now you start to follow that and you wait for the next time. We are always finding all of this shit, man. We're looking at derivatives at layer ones. I mean, we've been trading Tron. We've been trading Tron memes. We've been trading ETH memes, Sol memes, ton memes, Linnea memes. We trade everything there is. Virtual XRP, I don't trade it. Sorry, man. It'll do fine. If you're holding it, you'll be fine. But I don't like. I don't trade it. It's not for me. I like my plays. I like smaller plays. As you can see, we hit on these smaller plays, and the X's are just exponentially more. We smashed the short on this. One of our members literally made 30K on not on the short, on the bounce of the short. Right here, we caught it here, and like 40x leveraged it. I got a nice bag. One of the members got like literally 30K off this move here. And we knew it's not coming back. Like we sold right away. Like this is not coming back, man. If you're watching this, it's probably fucking cooked, bro. And I'm sorry, it sucks, because it could have been a cool coin. I smashing this. It's on my Mexi account. Turbo's not done, man. This is fucking wild. I think the rest of my capital, I'm gonna watch and see what happens. I opened I sold Turbo and I opened the Pi play. Oh man, Mumu is doing some shit, bro. Woo! Woo! Come on, buddy. Show me something beautiful. Any volume here? Let's see what's happening. Oh my god, that's fucking terrible. Oh man, that needs to start picking up, or I might have to dump this profit and move on to something new. But it is up now 84%. The thing is that if this like actually picks back up, it was 240 million. I got it this leverage play at 7. Like if I even get half of that, this is like a 6-figure leverage trade. From like a literally 4-figure trade. Not like putting in 60K and making 100K. No, we can put in like 1 to 5K and make 100K sometimes. A lot of you can, but you're gonna sell it. You're gonna know when to sell it. Popeye's getting some juice, man. Popeye's getting some juice. Man, if this, come on, put some fucking volume, man. Maybe post some shit, pay some people to, come on. I smashed this from 100 million to 160 million, and then it broke down. I sold it 130 million, so I didn't take the full. I took like 50% of the profit. But then thank God it went from 130 million to 6 or 5 million. 5 million, I think. So thankfully I exited that. Yeah, it does seem like a very smart play on my part, I guess you could say. Oh, my eyes, man. They're killing me, guys. Honestly, you could swing trade this. Volume is fucking ass, but they'll probably pump it at 10 million. They've done it in the past couple months. Come on, baby, show me some juice. Might be nap time for Bitcoin. But will they pump a little more? I mean, is ETH doing something here, man? Literally, boom. Most of our members, unfortunately, bought Caspa at 14 and 18 and 23 cents and 23 cents again and 22 cents. That was Crypto Galaxy's callers. I know because I was in his. A lot of us used to be in his Discord. He made me the guy to call all of his like Degen trades, and the members were making a lot more money on my trades than his. So I made my own Discord. Um, with Momo, who's the fucking wizard. He has a PhD in math and medical doctorate. We have Proverbs, who's fucking does literally everything. This Zyno, he calls all of our Degen trades. I mean, everything he calls. I mean, look, what am I? I don't need to say 6x. Like, so we literally trading everything, man. Literally trading everything. So all the time, like one of us is calling plays literally at all times. That's why you guys should join us. But yeah, so we were all in Crypto Galaxy. Who was calling this shit at 23 cents, 23 cents, 23 cents? Never told anyone when to sell. Never told anyone to get out before it broke down. And then we created our own Discord. I told everybody to sell that shit for Solana at 14 cents. I sold all of my Caspa at 23 cents for a really nice profit, actually. And then when I created our Discord with these guys, I told everyone sell this, buy Solana. Solana went to 270. So follow Crypto Galaxy. You don't know what the fuck you're doing, man. I told people last night to buy spot Caspa. So let's see. And I told people when to get the fuck out too. So like, that's why you join us. If I'm wrong, you're not gonna get wrecked. If CG's wrong, you got wrecked. If Crypto Archie's wrong, you're getting wrecked. These guys don't have any risk management skills. They don't know how to read a chart. They certainly don't know how to fucking read a chart. And they just buy like some hype, man. What they hear is cool. Like we're playing charts. We're buying things that are massive in volume. They're about to get a listing. Like me and Momo, we know the things to look for when a coin's about to get a major listing. That's when we buy these plays. We get you in, we get you out of these plays. You don't want to hold them when the shit is dumping. And if you do, you want to again have risk management like we give you guys. Come on, man. Let's go, Pie Pies. It's working. It's working. It's trying something. Yeah. We're above it. We're above it. Ooh, come on, baby. Ooh, come on. When Mo tells to play 3 times, you fucking do it, man. Again, Mo and I've called this so many times. I've made good money off this play on multiple, like since we were trading it since from 40 million, we've been trading it since 10 million. But you bet your ass this one is not something we were holding while it's dumping from 60 million to 10. Almost anything that was like below 300 million when Bitcoin dumped, we suggested to put it in USDT or buy safer larger coins. I just put a lot into Pepe, honestly, and Pepe never really dumped, so nothing happened. Like I sold a lot of my smaller coins, like things like Mooding, things like Mew, things like Degen, things like Slurf. Like I sold a lot of these before the breakdown and just put them all into Pepe. And I mean, like I said, if you look, like Pepe never really even dropped below 2.7 billion, and it did for like a day. Pepe is actually like one of the strongest charts in all of crypto, to be honest with you guys. That's too new. You can't look at the weekly on Pepe. It's always just it's a good coin, man. Just telling you, Pepe's a beast. Pepe's like it's for me. It's like I don't mind putting my like money when the market's dropping in it because it really just doesn't tank like everything else. But man, like look, even you're holding Solana on that whole correction, you got fucked. That's 100% from 270 to 105. I mean, you got wrecked. And again, like when we were trading this bounce, we told everybody if Bitcoin drops, like you can buy, you can DCA. If Bitcoin drops below 77, you should probably just exit the market. Like, hey, take your loss and buy again. We don't just like tell you to like buy our favorite coin. We don't like we give you what we think is gonna look hot. Like these are just like on my watch list now. You see, I don't. I'm calling everything. I'm not just saying, oh, it's my like Pepe is my favorite coin. I'm not just calling Pepe. We're not doing that. Like, CG's like Caspa, Caspa, Caspa. That's all the guy talks about, man. I guess now he probably added one or two. He probably watched like me, watched us. It's like, ah, dude, they're buying Maneki now. Let's do Maneki, bro. CG, what they say? Cats will never do well in crypto, man. That's my Trump voice, my Trump impersonation mixed with CG. I see this is a beast. It's a beast, this man. Yeah, so Ether is going to consolidate here too. Hopefully above the 200 on the 4 hour at least. Are we above the 200 on the daily? Doubtful. It's not even fucking close. ETH is still in a bear cycle. Bitcoin is currently in a bullish trend. Bullish trend. Not in a bullish trend yet. Caspa is still in a bearish trend, but it is a possible bullish reversal. You can see which coins are clearly bullish, and you can feel a lot more comfortable buying those too, to be honest. You see, so Bitcoin is one of the few. Some of them are getting there. Again, it's so hard to like use the 200 on some of these alts because the fucking correction was so massive. Like, I mean, you're seeing 100% losses in alts. So like, how can you really use the 200 in some of them? It's tough. But some of the bigger ones like ETH, you kind of can. Yeah, ETH is still like in a like really bearish cycle. So hopefully it keeps bouncing here. We need it to, guys. For to get like the full capacity of on alt pump, you really do need Ethereum to pump, man. I mean, that's when like some of these coins were just like, holy smokes, man. I think Turbo was like 900 million. Mu at one point was 1.2 billion. Brett was like 2 billion. That's when ETH was also like 3.8, 4K. Like you need ETH to do some work, man. It's crazy that some of these like ETH coins are doing so well while ETH is doing like, it's doing all right. Like this is like also why I've always told people like, oh man, what in the fuck happened to my shit, dude? What is this? I'm gonna have a stroke. Oh my god, it's 11. Yeah, man. Buy above these levels. Mumu was doing some work. It looks like. Oh, it's doing this again, man. What is that? All right, guys. I'm fucking tired. It's 11. I still need to eat. So I'll be on tomorrow, most likely. I'm not working tomorrow. So we'll see. We'll reevaluate what's the plays. Keep some cash available, so we can make some more new plays, some new entries. We can add to plays. We've taken profit. We've raised stop losses. So we're ready to either eat on our stop losses, which we don't want to do right now, or we're ready to buy some consolidation zones tomorrow and keep this trend going. Hopefully. So again, man, if you're watching, if you just tuned in, you should join us. Like, these are just today, like, this is an 84% right now currently. Look at this, boom, boom. Like, this is what we're doing in here, man. This is what we're doing in here, guys. Boom. Boom. All right. Join the Degen tribe, guys. We'll teach you how to trade. Like that saying about like teaching a man to fish, we'll teach you how to trade, guys. And then you can catch